So guys, this is the last day of Project Sandwich. Last day na to, kaya kailangan matapos na.
Yesterday, we had 1 inch.
Nako, kumamot sa ulo, kumamot sa ulo.
Takot talaga ako, pero ang laki na to. 1 inch normally, yung kit na yung pinabasag namin. Konting hinat na lang.
So pwede na mamaya.
Yeah. Tapos na yan. You saw yesterday, di ba? Si Rasha, ngayon 6. Galing ng guys ko.
So right now guys, it's done na.
I mean, I'd say 90% done. Kasi may finishing touches. Pag na-road test natin kung nag-rub yung gulong, pag turn mo, in terms of visual,
Done na siya.
done na siya. Napahiga natin yung fender,
Nakabit natin yung...
air suspension. Let's drive.
Oh, sige, go!
Anywhere you go, any car shop you go to, mag-assemble ng car in 4 days na ganito.
Yeah.
Walang gumagawa.
Wala. Are you happy? Very good thing. 4 days nagawa.
Yeah.
To be honest, I was really nervous on the rear fender, but I know the boys will pull through, so I was just supporting them, trying to wait, and then done.
Yeah. Happy.
Happy.
Ilan masabi natin? Happy.
Well, I'm sure mas happy ka pag nalabas mo na yan.
Yes,
And
actually.
pag nalagay mo yung crowning piece.
Yeah. The last piece.
The last piece.
Let's go.